Your gateway to calmer tech is here. Okay, so I have the new Daylight DC-1. This is an unboxing video. If you have ever considered trying calm technology, e-ink screens, even though this one is like a live paper screen, then this is for you. If you're new here, I'm Shay. I'm a PhD candidate at Harvard and the founder of Analog Social, and I have an extremely high screen time. It's actually really bad. But recently I was like, I need to ditch my iPad. My screen time is like too much. And because of the blue light that emits from the iPad, it's like causing a lot of like eye strain and like brain fog and things of that sort. So because I read and annotate a lot on my iPad, I was like, okay, I need like an iPad replacement so that I can work more efficiently and not have so much blue light in my workflow. So I'm trying to reduce my blue light emitting workflows. And at the end of the day, I want to test out more technology and add more technology in my tech stack that is going to make me feel more human because I'm all about staying human in the age of AI. So making sure that my best critical thinking, judgment, creativity skills can be done on devices that facilitate that and don't draw away from it. But yeah, I'm going to give this a try. We're going to unbox it and then let's do this. Okay, so it comes in like a plain white box like this. I've always wanted to like do a little thing. Okay, whatever. So it comes in like a plain white box like this. I'm gonna pull this off so you guys can see. I'm being dramatic. Here's like the big reveal. LOL. So it's like this. And then I guess this is like to protect it. Wonderful. Oh, this is so nice. I love. Here, let me put it up so you guys can see. I love the orange branding. Also, this feels so nice. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. Okay, let me not scream. It's a very tactile experience. You know, when you're trying out new technology, you want like a really good tactile experience. So this is it. So this, I guess, was just to keep it safe during transport. So I love this. Honestly, it literally looks like a book. Okay, so I need to sit down while I'm doing this, but I'm gonna pin this somewhere so you guys can still hear me. Wow. Okay, so here it is. So beautiful. So I'm going to take the sleeves off. It's just so cute. I almost want to like cut this up and use this as a bookmark. I have so many books in my library that this could be good for. So we love reusable stuff. It opens up like a book. Oh my gosh, can you see that? Oh, that's so nice. I love handwritten notes. So this is so nice. And like you probably can't see it that much, but like there's like forests in the background. Look at this. This is so nice. Like I'm literally like unboxing it live for you guys. So it has like a lot of like woody texture, which is personally something I really love. Like every single detail matters. Honestly, when I'm traveling a lot, I might just use this as like a storage box because this is like so nice. Oh, this is such a good touch. Oh, let there be light. Amen. Okay, so then there's like a little tab right here. If you can see the little tab right here to pull it out. So we're gonna gently pull that out. Okay, so this is, let me make sure you guys can actually see it. So this, oh, it's very lightweight. I think it's, let's see. Yeah, it's only 1.2 pounds, 550 grams. This is actually very lightweight. This is like a paper thing that's covering it. So this it is. So compared to my face, oh, but yeah, this is how it is. So before I unpeel this, let me show you what else is in the box. So when you take the box out, you have another cute card. This is so cute. And then it has a nice little getting started, how to turn it on, dive in, has a nice little QR code so you're not like, completely lost. Also love the back, very woody, very trees. It's given very trees. Oh, even has a walkie-talkie. Coming soon. Oh my gosh, it comes with a stylus. Okay. And it has a USB-C port, which I love. But here's basically the explanation of it and everything that it has, which is really nice. This is so nice. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then it has the FCC statement. So all the like compliance statements that it has to have. Yeah, it's just more compliance statements. And then let me show you the stuff that's in it. Okay. I didn't know it comes with the stylus. This is so nice. Okay. So here you'll see what is left inside the box. So you have the stylus. You have the USB charging. Let me even read this thing properly. So yeah, USB charging. And then I'm not gonna lie to you, I have no idea what this is.
So I just found out it's for the tips of the stylus pen so you can replace it when it's worn out.
Oh, so interesting. And then let me see. I think this is just USB-C. Yeah, so this is USB-C to USB-C. So you're gonna need your own charging head for this. Here is the okay. Definitely has like a pen feel. I don't know if you guys can see the pen-like feel. That's amazing. Okay. So let there be light. So I'm gonna unwrap this. It has like a little sticky thing right here. Ooh, okay, sticky. All right, sticky. Oh, it even has a Chrome extension. You see that? Yeah. And it has a Chrome extension. Oh, amazing. Okay, so here you can see the power button. I love this. Let me make sure I'm like looking at it. No, this is quick action. Orange is quick action. This is the power button. Oh, well, hope you guys can hear me. This is the power button. Then you have a micro SD slot. I guess if you want external storage on this. You have the walkie-talkie button right here, which says coming soon, and then the volume button. Well, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna charge this for a while, and then here you can see the charging port. So I'm gonna charge this for a while and then come back to you guys. Okay, welcome back. So I wanted it to charge for a while. So that's why I got like a little bit darker, but it is here and I'm so excited. Okay, so this is it right here, 100%. Let's do this. Okay, honestly, it feels pretty hardy. Like, like something that I can like just throw around. I'm joking now. But one thing I love about this is that you saw the Let There Be Light earlier on. It's designed so that it can be used outside. So a lot of our technology wasn't designed like that. It was meant for like indoor use. And I went to their outdoor computing club this past summer. It was absolutely amazing. We did a partnership with Analog Social and it was so great just being outside, working, being our most creative selves. Once again, so happy that it came with a stylus. Okay, so let me turn this thing on so we can actually see what we're working with. I love a good logo. Look at the daylight logo. So nice. So now it is currently turning on. Yeah, this thing feels pretty hardy and also very portable. Oh, so stunning. Look at this. Obviously, I have to set it, but this is the home page. So I need to, so many things are already preloaded on it. So you have, let me see, because y'all not about to be able to see this. Okay. So you have it's a lot of things loaded on here. Reader, like their own like reader. Then you have a Kindle, then a notebook, Docs, which I believe is Google Docs, a Chrome, Spotify, chess. I love chess. That's one thing a lot of people don't know about me. I like really love chess. It's good for my brain. They have Telegram, Readwise. I have Notion. So this is what's going to be a big game changer for me. Notion is like my second brain. So the fact that I can basically use this like a laptop. So okay, let me put this down for a second. Here is my old keyboard from my old iPad. So I'm getting rid of my iPad in the sense that like I'm not using it or I'm just gonna like give it away. So I'll probably use this as a portable keyboard for my new daylight. And so I want to show you. So like it's flicker free. You can see the hue on it so I can use it late at night. I work mostly all the time. So I was gonna say, oh, I'm a night worker. I'm a knowledge worker. So I work whenever is like the most convenient, depending on my workflows and what I'm specifically writing. But as you can see, hopefully, as you can see, like, with most e-ink displays, it's sort of like there's like a lag time. There's like zero lag time. Like I feel like I'm on my actual like laptop. If you can see that, like look how quickly it like, oh my gosh. There's a lot of things that's already loaded on here. They thought of everything. Substack. Oh my gosh, Substack. Follow me on Substack. I have like multiple newsletters on there. So they have the Substack app on here. So a lot of things are actually preloaded. I love this. But yeah, there's like zero lag time. Email and everything on here. So the packaging is amazing. It's very thoughtful. I really loved the note that was on the inside of it. And so a little bit about the founder, Anjan. When I started Analog Social and I was trying to figure out ways to have a healthier relationship with the internet, with social media apps, with things that are just very mind numbing that can lead to like doom scrolling and brain rotting. I think I listened to a podcast that Anjan was on. He was talking about the desire to create hardware that's healthier for our brains. Like, he was doing research and he was like, we can have flicker free screens. Yes, it's harder to do, but like what you don't notice is that on your normal screens, there's constant flickering that's happening that's imperceptible to your eye, but it can like feel it. So even though you can't see it, your eye feels that constant like flickering. And it's not really healthy for our brains. So he created this beautiful hardware that helps you enjoy screen time without the really bad effects, unconscious effects on our brains. And as someone who spent a lot of time on my screen, I'm like, yeah, this is like amazing. But then also I was afraid of like the lag time that usually happens with e-ink screens. But this is like a live screen, like it has the same movement and like rate of change, like as you move things on a screen. So like, for example, I also have a Kindle and the Kindle has like a small lag. I have not seen any lag on this so far. So that's why I'm like, okay, they really thought of a lot of different things. And my whole goal is to stress test it and to see like, okay, can I do all of my readings, my writings, like basically replacing everything my iPad was doing. And honestly, since I'm trying to be like more on the go, like I travel a lot, I'm starting to do a lot more speaking engagements. I love how portable this is. Like, this is something that I can like bring on the go for like meetings and stuff like that. Like, it just feels so, oh, look at the reflection on that. Oh, it reflects light so beautifully. Oh my gosh, let me show you. Let me see if the screen can pick up on it. Wait. Let me see if the camera can pick up on it. So, beautiful amber color. And bam, it just reflects light so beautifully. So you can see what's happening here is what would normally be happening out like as I'm looking at it and stuff like that. So this is like phenomenal. So yeah, I'm gonna stress test it. If you want to try out Daylight, I have my referral link in the description box below. But I am so excited to walk you through the use of this. So far, I've just had an amazing experience with their team, with their founders. I really want to support a company that was founded by someone who just has just a beautiful mission to want to see the entire industry move closer and closer to creating technology that's good for humans. Like if you follow me on Instagram, you follow me online, I'm all about bridging the gap between humans and AI. And I always say the phrase helping people stay human in the age of AI. And that's basically retaining our critical thinking, critical judgment, creativity, like all the amazing ingenuity of the human brain needs to be preserved in the age of AI. And we can't be our best selves if technology is like making us distracted and not being able to, yeah, be creative and thoughtful and to have deep contemplation. Like all that is like really important. And that's really like the ethos behind analog social, right? Is to give people the space to find depth again. That's what we need in a very shallow world where it's very easy to get distracted. It's very easy to like, yeah, not go deep. It's important to like provide avenues for that. So super excited for this. Sorry for like a little break. But if you're new here, subscribe to my channel for all things me. I'm always working on something. If you have any other calm, analog wellness friendly technologies that you want me to try out, or if you're a company that is on the same wavelength as Daylight Computer and you want to create technology that works with humans and not against humans, then reach out via the email linked in my bio below. But yes, cannot wait to stress test this wonderful device. I'm already so excited. So I'm so glad you guys are here. If you have any other questions about Daylight and the device, let me know below. Hopefully I'll see it right before I record my video on how I'm using the Daylight to better my workflows in my life. So super excited. And yeah, back to writing my dissertation. See you guys.